Hey, welcome back to another quick preview of our amazing course. I'm Corey Gray, and you know as well as I know, inquiries on credit reports are both common, but they can be really complex to remove in some circumstances. So, in this lesson 13 of our course, which is ChatGPT for credit repair, we're going to dive really deep into the world of inquiries, empowering you as a credit repair business owner. You're going to learn how to generate effective letters that challenge those unauthorized inquiries and use language patterns and strategies to your advantage. We're going to give you expertise in formatting, submitting, tracking, and following up on all of your dispute letters. We walk you through a real-life scenario of an unauthorized inquiry and learn how you can craft dispute letters using ChatGPT, leading to a successful resolution. So in lesson 13, it's much more than theory. It's a practical guide packed with insights and real-life examples. Trust me when I tell you that even if you're experienced in removing inquiries, this lesson will deepen your expertise even further. So if you're ready to embrace the capabilities of ChatGPT and master the intricacies of inquiries, go ahead and enroll in our incredible digital course now. Transform your understanding of inquiries and become a powerful advocate for your clients and all of their credit repair needs. Can't wait to see you on the inside.